Is eBay a great choice for starting your dropshipping business? What is the difference that separates eBay from other platforms? We will analyze the advantages and disadvantages eBay holds in today's video. What is eBay dropshipping? If you are interested in selling products online or on an e-commerce platform, then eBay dropshipping is one of the easiest business models because eBay does not involve a lot of the logistics and upfront investment that other e-commerce platforms require. Of all the e-commerce platforms, eBay is exceptionally easy, convenient, and effective. Furthermore, it does have its pros and cons. Pros. Now, the first one is easy shipping experience. Like most dropshipping businesses, only a store on eBay will save you the trouble of shopping matters. Will save you the trouble of shipping matters. There's not a lot of logistics here. You just buy from the vendor. When someone buys from you, you don't have to worry about shipping labels, boxing up, or storing items because your supplier handles all that for you. Less need for marketing. eBay is a long-lasting shopping site that gets a high volume of visitors, and your listings are placed in front of millions of online shoppers. This will effectively save your time and money on SEO, paid traffic, and marketing. The third one is more traffic for less effort. As a result of eBay's high traffic, you will get orders coming that sooner than building an indie website. This is much assured if you want to start a small business. Now let's talk about the cons. The first one is the listing fees. Like other mainstream shopping sites, eBay charges a small fee for each listing and up to 10% of your total sale price. This is known as a final value fee. However, the first 50 listings are free on your eBay account. You can calculate potential fees for your eBay listing by tracking its fee calculator. With the already slim profit margins through dropshipping, these fees can quickly add up. Keep in mind that the key to making money by dropshipping is volume. The second one is less customization. Selling things on eBay is equivalent to the services and models you use to profit from this platform. It's a great way to start an online business. The fewer customization options for your shop and listings can make it more difficult to stand apart from your competitors. The third one is frequent monitoring needed. You will need to stay on top of your listings if you want to maintain the volume needed to make money through eBay sales. These are online tools available that can help you streamline the relisting process. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide where you want to place the bulk of your time and effort when selling wholesale products online. But for many sellers, eBay dropshipping is a simple and effective way to make money. If you want your eBay store to succeed, then you need a dropshipping supplier that is reliable, effective, and efficient. You also want to offer your customers as many choices as possible so that they can keep coming back to your e-commerce store. That being said, look no further than partnering up with Allen Dropshipping. We have professional agents that will stand by 24/7. We also offer a whole package service for dropshipping business, including sourcing, packaging, branding, and more. Contact us directly by checking out the description that's attached to a link to our website. This is all for today's video. Please subscribe if you want to see more in our future videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions related to dropshipping business, and hit the like button. I will see you next time.